Cities are built on the illusion of control. Straight lines, right angles. Everything is measured, planned, contained. But nature doesn't obey. There are places in the city where the earth still whispers. You see it in the trees, these old giants standing stubborn between steel and glass. In the grass that forces its way through cracks in the pavement like a quiet rebellion. Ivy climbs brick walls like it's reclaiming lost ground. Roots buckle sidewalks. The sigh of branches in the wind. The shudder of leaves against brick. The way a patch of moss cradles the corner of a stairwell, like it's keeping a secret. Like a proof that the earth remembers what was here before the concrete. Listen. Beneath the traffic, the sirens, the hum of electricity, there's another pulse. And when I load a roll of Lomochrome Metropolis, the muted tones and desaturated greens feel like they're perfectly captured these quiet definitions. That even in the gray, there's green fighting through.